Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Yarnaby from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a circle for the shape of the head. Now inside at the top, let's draw two large ovals for the eyes. And then inside each one, let's draw a curve down. And then add a circle in the center. And color the rest of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop down and let's add the mouth. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a curve down, over, and curve it up on the right side. Now on top, let's draw two V shapes up. And then one more on the right for the last tooth. And lastly, for the face, let's draw a line down in the center. Now that we're done the face, let's move out and let's draw the yarn coming out from the head. Let's start on top and let's draw two curves going up and out. Then a line down at the ends and curve it back in. Now let's add two more pieces on top in the center in the same way. Now for the next set of pieces, let's hop down and let's draw a curve out and curve it down. Then bring it in from the ends and a curve back up to the head. Now on top of this piece, let's add another one behind. Let's start with a curve out up here. Then let's bring it down and back in. Now let's hop down and let's add another piece behind. Let's start at the head and let's draw a curve going out and continue it on the other side. Then let's bring it up at the ends and curve it back in. Now for the next set of pieces, let's hop underneath and let's draw two curves going down. And close it off at the ends. Now on top of this piece, let's add another one behind by drawing two curves like this. And again, close it off at the end. Now for the next pieces, let's hop down and let's draw two curves down and out. Close off the ends. And then on top, let's add a piece behind by bringing a line out and down. Now let's add another set of pieces coming down underneath. And then one behind with a bent line on the outside. And now let's add two more going in in the same way. Next, let's hop to the center and let's draw 2, curving it outwards. And then another longer one next to it like this. And then in the gap, another curve down and over. Now at the bottom, in between the gaps, let's draw a curve in between. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start by adding a few more pieces of yarn underneath. In the center, let's draw a line down. Then another one next to it on both sides. And a curve at the bottom of each one. Now next to it, let's draw a line down and over for the next piece. And then another longer one next to it. Now for the next set of pieces, we'll start with a wavy line down, a curve next to it, and then close off the ends. Now let's add 2 more wavy pieces out on both sides. And that's it for the yarn on the body. Now let's move down and let's draw the legs. Underneath in the center, let's draw 2 curves going down and in. And then another set on the outside, bringing it behind the yarn. Now at the bottom, let's add the feet. In the center, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then a curve out on both sides. Now at the bottom of each toe, let's add the toenail. Let's start with a curve, and then curve it down and back up. And the same on each toe. And now to close off the bottom of the toes, let's curve it in to the nail on both sides. Now that we're done the front legs, in between, let's draw the bottom of the body with a curve across. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the back legs. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve down, curve it out. Now let's add a curved toenail going outwards. And one more curve back in underneath. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's add one more piece of yarn on both sides. Let's draw 2 wavy lines out. And close off the ends. And that's it for Yarnaby. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!